Hi everybody, welcome to Charita's Easy Kitchen. Tonight I'm going to show you a quick and easy dinner for two. This can be a good weeknight thing, just a general date night thing, but I was asked by someone to share some simple meals that could be Valentine meals that would be quick and easy but also impressive for a special night. So that's what this is. And this is actually just a meat and cheese tray. We had this when we went to Amsterdam. It was very popular, and you can get these at a lot of restaurants now. They call them, I don't know how you pronounce the word, charcuterie boards that come with meats and cheeses and usually a pickled component. I don't have any pickles because we're not going to eat that, me and Nick. But so what I have is I got, this is a drunken goat cheese. It's a really good cheese. I get it Kroger. So if you like goat cheese, it's a little bit milder than regular goat cheese, but it's soaked in red wine. It's very tasty. And some manchego, which is a hard cheese, a dry aged cheese that's got a little bit of a strong bite to it, but not too bad. Some berries, strawberries, blueberries. I have salami, and this is a soppressata. It's a picante soppressata, which is spicy, so we got a little bit of heat and a little mild. You could also do ham or turkey if that's what you have. And then because we're doing low carb, we didn't want to do crackers or crusty bread, but that would be fabulous with any of this. We have some low carb bread, and I just put a little butter on that, toasted it up in the oven, and made some little toast points for us to eat our meat and cheese with. And then a few nuts there, just had some mixed nuts, so I added that in. But so this is a very simple thing. I threw it together in about 5 minutes. It just took the time it took me to open the packaging and set everything out. The main thing I wanted to tell you about planning an easy meal or a romantic meal is that it's more about setting the mood. So what you want to do is, obviously, when you're wanting a romantic dinner, maybe some candlelight if you have candles. Even little tea lights work. They will create an ambiance once you turn the lights out. Also, use some sort of a fancy glass if you have one. It doesn't matter if you're drinking wine or if you're drinking champagne. Use those glasses for whatever it is you're drinking, because it just makes it just gives it a little more of a special feel. It looks like you went a little out of your way to do something for that special someone by just pulling out the nicer things. Same with your plating. Of course, we're just probably going to eat off the board because I don't like to do dishes tonight. But if you were going to plate, if you had something nicer than paper plates for a special date night, that would be the time to bring those out. If that's all you have, then it's okay. But you know, and by all means do those simple things during the regular time. But if you're trying to make an impression or create a specific mood, something like that would help. Also, something that put something on the table that is a reminder of your relationship with whoever it is you're having this meal with. And so this is just it's not a painting, it's an artistic thing I got at the art market down on Gay Street. But it's two birds, and it says they're looking for love, and I just thought that made me think of Nick. We've been together for so long, it just feels like we've always been there. But a picture, something like that, some kind of a memento from a trip or something that will bring back good memories while you're eating. Those are always good things to have. Also, I have also made a second meal that I'll post a video for tonight for Cornish hens. Cornish hens are little, small, individual sized chickens. And so I made those last night with a vegetable pilaf and a tossed salad. And basically this same principle. We did some candlelight, we did some fancy glasses, and set the table pretty. And so I'll post that recipe and how to throw that together. That meal itself is not hard, but it takes a little more time because the chicken takes about an hour to cook, a little bit longer sometimes, depending on the size of your hens. But it's very well worth it because it makes an impressive meal for someone if you're trying to make a good impression. I will probably post a couple more two-person dinners in the next few days, just to give you some help with Valentine's ideas in case you are struggling with that. But that's all I have for now. I'll see you later. Remember to check my YouTube channel and subscribe, like, and comment, especially if you're looking just for the tutorials. It's a lot easier to find things over there.